Hello everyone, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. Today we are here for the discussion of solutions of MOF paper which was held on 13th October 2024. So we will start from class 5th and the subject is physics. So let us start our discussion. So our first question, space is done when a force moves an object through some distance. So we know that work is done when a force moves an object through some distance. So our correct answer will be option B. Next question, we have to pick the odd one. As we know that out of these four options, friction, weight and gravity, these are types of force, but mass is not force. So out of these fours, mass is odd one. So our correct answer is option C. Next question, question number 3. Which type of energy is possessed by an object in its moving state? So we know that light energy is the form of energy which produces sensation in our eyes. Sound energy produces sensation in our ears. Heat energy is related to temperature, and the energy related to object in its moving state or due to state of motion is known as mechanical energy. So our correct answer is option D. Next question, question number 4, which is assertion reason question. So let us see. Assertion. Friction opposes the relative motion between two surfaces in contact. So this is a true statement. Friction is a type of non-contact force. No, this is a false statement because friction is a contact force. So our correct answer will be assertion is true but reason is false. Option C is our correct answer. Next question number 5. Match the following question. So we can see in column 1, sun. Sun gives us solar energy. So for P I will write 3. Atom will give atomic energy. So for Q I will write 4. Fossil fuel gives heat energy. Then for R I will write 1. Water, due to water we can obtain hydro energy. So I will write for S 2. So correct code is 3412. That means option C is our correct answer. Next question is based on paragraph. So there are some conditions given in this paragraph, and on the basis of it, question number 6 is asked, which of the following is incorrect? So it is about the force. Force can change the shape of object. Yes, force is an external effect, external agency which can change the shape and size of object, which can change the state of motion, which can change the direction of motion. So we can see force can change the direction of motion. It can push an object, but it cannot read mind of a person. So option D will be our correct answer. This is a wrong statement. Next question number 7 is based on same paragraph, and it is said in 1687 laws of motion were given by, we know that a very famous scientist, Newton. Sir Isaac Newton gave laws of motion. So option A is our correct answer. So we have discussed all the questions of subject physics. For more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, subscribe this YouTube channel. You can also join our WhatsApp group. The link of that WhatsApp group is provided in the description of this video. If you have any type of doubt in any question, then you can click on Ask a Doubt button which is provided in your MOF profile. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Welcome to all of you on Matrix YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the MOF paper solution for class 5th, which was conducted on 13th of October 2024. Let's see the question. So the question is, some waste products are listed below. Okay, so the first is grass cutting, polythene bags, plastic toys, used tea bags, old clothes and paper store. Okay, let's see the question. Which group of the waste material can be classified as non-biodegradable substances? We know that there are the two types of the substances, biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable substances are those substances which can easily decompose or degrade by the microorganisms, or they doesn't create any type of the pollution. Okay, so the biodegradable are substances, and the next one is the second one is the non-biodegradable substances which cannot be decomposed by the microorganisms and causes different pollutions. Okay, so let's see the options. Grass cutting. We know that the grass cuttings are the substances which obtained from the natural resources. So it is biodegradable. Basically the compounds or the substances which we can get from the natural resources like animals and plants that are biodegradable in nature. So the grass cutting is biodegradable. Plastic toys are non-biodegradable. Old clothes are also biodegradable. Then polythene bags are non-biodegradable. Used tea bags are biodegradable, and paper straw. Here mentioned that paper straw. If it is plastic straw, so it can be non-biodegradable, but it is paper straw, so it is biodegradable. Okay, let's see the option. In the option A, plant waste. We know that the plant waste is biodegradable, and used tea bags are also biodegradable. Okay, but in the question we have to find out the non-biodegradable substances. So the A option is the wrong option. Now let's see the B, polythene bags. We know that the polythene bags are non-biodegradable substance, and plastic toys both are non-biodegradable substance. So the option B is the right option. Now the next is used tea bags. Tea bags are biodegradable, and the paper straw is also biodegradable. So it is also a wrong option. Now let's see the D, old clothes and the grass cutting. Old clothes and grass cuttings both are biodegradable substance. So according to the question, polythene and plastic toys are non-biodegradable substance. So that B option is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, which of the following is responsible for the depletion of ozone layer? Okay, so the options are, first is CFCs. CFC is chlorofluorocarbon. Second is oxygen. Third is hydrogen. And fourth is all of these. Basically, chlorofluorocarbons are mainly responsible for the ozone depletion, because when chlorofluorocarbon degrade or decompose, then it creates chlorine gas, and that chlorine gas deplete the ozone layer. Okay, so the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is assertion reason type question, and the first statement is the assertion statement. Let's see the statement. The first statement is decomposers keeps the environment clean. Yes, decomposers keeps the environment clean. If we're talking about how, the decomposers are recycle the substances. Okay, they decompose the different biodegradable substances and recycle them into the nutrient substance. Apart from it, decomposers are also eco-friendly. Okay, so the statement, assertion statement is the true statement. Now the next is the reason. The reason is they recycle the matter by breaking down the organic remains and waste products of the plant and animals. Yes, it is completely a true statement, and this reason very well explanation of assertion. Okay, we know that the decomposers recycle the matter by breaking down the different organic remains and the waste product of the plants and animals. So let's see the options. In the option D, assertion is false and the reason is true. No, both are true. Next is assertion is true and the reason is false. No, it is also not a right option. Next is both assertion and reason are the true, but reason is not a correct explanation of assertion. It is also a wrong option, because both assertion and reason are true and the reason is correctly explain the assertion. Now the last one is both assertion and reason are the true and reason is a correct explanation of assertion. So the option A is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, there are two columns. Match column first with column second and select the correct answer using the codes given below. Okay, so in the column first, P is in liquid particles are held together. Liquids can be compressed. In gases, particles are held together. In solids, particles are held together. Okay, so in the column second, slightly, first is slightly, second is less firmly, third is most firmly, and the fourth is least firmly. Okay, so if we discuss about the three phases of substances, solid, liquid and gas, we know that the forces of attraction between the solid is highest compared to liquid and gas. Okay, so if we're talking about less firmly and least firmly, the gases are the particles in which the gases is the state in which the particles are combined together or held together least firmly. Okay, so next is the less firmly. In the liquid, the particles are compressed, or we can say the held together by less firmly than gas. Okay, and most firmly, so in the solid, the particles are attracted by each other and the intermolecular spaces between the particles is very low and the intermolecular force of attraction is very high. Okay, and next is the slightly. Okay, so next compare the column first and column second. In liquid, particles are held together. We know that in liquid, particles are held together less firmly. Okay, next is liquid can be compressed. We know that liquid can be compressed but slightly, and gases are compressed more than liquids. So the Q option is matched with first. In gases, particles are held together least firmly. So the option R is matched with the fourth, and in the last, in solids, particles are held together most firmly. So let's see the option. P is matched with second, QH matched with first, R is matched with fourth, and the S is matched with third. Okay, so the option 2, 1, 4, 3. 2, 1, 4, 3. It means the option D is the right option for this question. Now, let's see the next question. The next question is paragraph based question. Okay, let's see the paragraph. The paragraph is kinetic energy is the energy possessed by the particles due to their motion. The particles of a gas have maximum kinetic energy due to free motion of gaseous particles in all the directions. Solids have minimum kinetic energy due to least movement of particles. Density of the mass of a substance per unit volume. Solids have highest density since their molecules are closely packed. Okay, so from this paragraph, we can identify that the particles of gas are easily move, or we can say free to move, compared to liquid and solid particles. And if we're talking about density, then the solid have the highest density compared to liquid and gas. Okay, now let's see the question. In the question is, in which conversion H2O molecules lose speed? Okay, so the first is ice to water. Ice to water in the sense that the solid state convert into liquid state. Okay, so in the question, in which conversion H2O molecule lose speed? No, solid to liquid means the particles are liquid are more easily move compared to solid. So it is wrong option. Now next is ice to steam. Ice is present in the solid form and in steam it is present in the gaseous form. So it is also a wrong option. Next is steam to ice. Okay, steam to ice. Steam to ice means gas convert into solid. Yes, this is the right option, because when the gas convert into solid form, then the H2O particle lose its speed. Now the next one is water to steam. So it is also a wrong option. So according to the question, which conversion H2O molecule lose speed? So if steam is converted into ice, it means gas converted into solid. So in that condition, it lose its speed. So the option C is the right option for this question. Now let's see the next question. The next question is, the paragraph is same for the question. Okay, so let's see the question. Which of the following substance has the highest density? Okay, we know that the solid substances have higher density than liquid and gaseous substance. Okay, gaseous substance have least density, and then liquid and solid have highest density. Okay, and it is also given in the paragraph also that the solid have the minimum energy due to the least movement of particles, and density is the mass of a substance per unit volume, and solid have the highest density since their molecules are closely packed. Okay, so now let's see the option. Water. Water is present in the liquid stage. Okay, so it is not to have the highest density. Next is the kerosene oil. Kerosene oil is also present in the liquid state. Next is iron. We know that iron is present in the solid state. Okay, and next is cotton. Cotton is also present in the solid state. Okay, so which option is right in both of them, C and D? We know that in the iron, particles are more closely packed, means we can say that the intermolecular forces between the iron molecule is higher than the cotton. So the density is also greater than the cotton. So the option C is the right option for this question. Thank you. Thank you so much. If you have any doubt, any query regarding any question, so there is one option, ask a doubt. Or for more information regarding Matrix Olympiad, you can join our WhatsApp channel also, or you can subscribe our YouTube channel also. Thank you. Thanks a lot.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix High School. Today we discuss about Matrix Olympiad paper solution for class 5th. Now start. First question. First question is, what is the shape of bacteria that are spherical in shape? Option first, Bacillus, Spirillum, Cocci and Vibrio. For spherical, our right answer is Coccus. And other one is Bacillus, Spirillum and Vibrio. Vibrio is comma shape, Spirillum spiral shape, Bacillus rod shape. So Cocci, Coccus are the spherical shape. Coccus, spherical. Two bacteria, many bacteria show Streptococcus, Staphylococcus. So right answer for this question is Cocci, Coccus. Next question is, which of the following is a type of microorganism? Earthworm, fungus, fish and bird. Earthworm, fungus, fish, bird. Right answer is fungus, because earthworm is multicellular body, fish multicellular, bird multicellular, and fungus single cellular microbe like yeast, microscopic microbes. So right answer for this is fungus, option B. Next question is, what is the main function of skeletal system? Skeletal system. Produce hormone? No. Protect internal organ? Right. Protect internal organ like brain and lungs, heart and so many other like stomach, intestine, small intestine. All are protected by skeletal system. So according to question, right answer is option B, protect internal organ. Next question is assertion A, all microorganisms are harmful? No, because we use curd. In curd, LAB bacteria found. LAB, lactic acid bacteria. So this assertion statement is wrong. Next, reason R, microorganism can cause disease. Right, microbe cause disease like cholera. Vibrio cholera cause cholera disease. So this reason is right. According to assertion reason statement, both assertion right? No. Both assertion reason are true and reason not correct? Not. Assertion true, reason false? No. assertion false, and reason 2. Option D. D is right answer for this question. Next question is match column first and second. Stomach. Stomach related to digestive system, bones related to skeletal system, lungs to respiratory system, and heart to circulatory system. 4, 3, 1, 2. 4, 3, 1, 2. Option B is the right answer for this match the column. Next question is paragraph question 19 and 20. Circulatory system is composed of the heart, blood vessel, and blood flow in blood vessel. So heart, blood vessel, and blood include in circulatory system. Its primary function is transport oxygen, nutrient, hormone, and waste product throughout the body, right? The heart pumps blood throughout the body, ensuring vital substances to reach all tissues. Pumping start from heart and circulation in blood vessels carry oxygen and so many nutrition to all tissue and organ. So circulatory system transport nutrient, hormone, and oxygen. According to paragraph, first question is which organ is central pumping station of circulatory system? This one, heart. Heart is pumping station. So B option is correct. Next question. Where does the exchange of gases and carbon dioxide occur in circulatory system? At the point lungs. Last point alveoli. Alveoli is the part of lungs. Gas exchange station. Capillaries that envelop alveoli. So gas exchange part is alveoli and capillaries. So right option is B. B for this question. These are the all solution for biology. For more update, subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.
Hello students, welcome to the 2024th edition of Matrix Olympiad. So today I am here to discuss about the MOF paper solution for class 5th for math subjects. So without wasting time, let's start. So here question number 21st, that is you are building a rectangular chest. You want to length to be 6 feet, the width to be 4 feet, and the volume to be 7 cubic feet. So what should be the height be? So here we have to find the height of this rectangular chest box. So we know volume, that is length multiply breadth multiply and height. So here in this question we have given volume, that is 72 cubic feet. So I can write here 72 is equal to length, that is we have given 6 feet, multiply by width, yeah, we can say the breadth, that is we have given 4 feet, and here we have to find the height. So for height, 72 divided by 6 multiply by 4 is equal to height. So here 6 1 ja 6, again 6 1 ja 6, and 6 2 ja 12. So 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12. So here height that is 3 feet. So check here which option is correct. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the closet is 6 feet wide, 5 feet deep, and 8 feet tall. In the closet there is a suitcase that is 12 feet wide, 3 feet long and 4 feet tall. So how much room is left in the closet? So first we have to find the volume of closet. So I can say that volume of closet, that is LBH. Here we have given 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 8. So 6 5 ja 30. 30 multiplied by 8 is equal to 8 3 ja 24. So 240 cubic feet. Now again we have to find the volume of suitcase. So volume of suitcase, that is, again we have given length, breadth and height. So length, that is 2 feet, and wide, that is 3 feet, and long, that is 4 feet. So here 4 3 ja 12 and 12 2 ja 24 feet cubic, I can say that. So here we have to find left. So for left volume, that is 240 minus 24. So here I get 216 cubic feet. So check which option is correct. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is, observe the following below. So here we have given figure, we have to observe here. If I observe this one, so I get OS, that is a line segment, and OT, that is a ray. So check, OT denotes a ray. Yes, OT denotes a ray, but the arrow OT denotes a ray. So here option number B is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, that is, pole has 2 boxes. One is a cylinder and has a volume of 280 cubic inch. So here we have given volume of cylinder, that is 280 cubic inch. The other is a rectangular prism and has a length 9 inch, width 5 inch and height 6 inch. So here we have given a rectangular prism. So I can say that length of rectangular prism, that is 9 inch, width, that is 5 inch, and height, that is 6 inch. So question is that which of the following statement is true. So if I talk about statement, cylinder has greater than volume by 10 cubic inch, cylinder is greater than volume. So here we have to find first the volume of rectangular prism. So volume of rectangular prism, that is length, breadth and height. So here we have given 9 multiply 5 multiply 6. So 6 5 ja 30. So 9 multiply 30, that is 270 cubic inch. So here we have given 280 inch for volume of cylinder and volume of rectangular prism, that is 270. So if I compare to this one, so I can say that volume of cylinder is greater than, and which is greater than by 10 cubic inch. So the cylinder has greater volume and by 10 cubic inch. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now next question is that a store sells packages of black pen, blue pen and red pen. So here 4 upon 9 of the packages are black pen. So here I can say that packages of black pen, that is 4 upon 9. So again the packages of blue pen. So here packages of blue pen, that is 1 upon 6. So here we have to find what fraction of the packages of red pen. So we have to find fraction of packages of red pen. So let first, here we have given, so here I can solve this one, that is 1, that is the total number of packages, minus packages of black pen plus packages of blue pen. So here 1 minus, if I take LCM, that is 18. So 9 2 is 18, so here I get 8 plus 6 3 is 18, so here I get 3. So if I add 1, so here I get 1 minus 11 upon 18. If I take LCM again 18, so here I can say that 18 minus 11. So here I get that is 7 upon 18. So the fraction 7 upon 18 is the packages of red pen. So check which option is correct. So 7 upon 18, option number B is the correct answer over here. So now if I talk about next question, that is the storeroom has been out of stock of pencils in the past week, but this morning 20 pencils were delivered. So number of pencils delivered, that is number of pencils delivered, that is 200. Okay, 4 people requested pencils last week but were unable to have any until today. So now if all 4 comes to the store room today and each take away a pack of 6 pencils, so I can say that each people take away pack of pencil, that is 6. So here number of peoples are 4. So 4 peoples, the number of pencils, that is 6 multiplied by 4, which is 24. So how many pencils will be left in stock? So I can say that left pencil in stock, that is total number of pencils, which is 200 minus 24. So here if I subtract this one, so here I get answer, that is 176 pencils. So check which option is correct. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is Johnson and Max are solved a given expressions and who is correct. So here we have given 2 upon 3 divided by 4. So if I convert divided sign into multiplication, so I can say that 2 upon 3 multiplied by 1 upon 4. So here I get 2 upon 12. If I cut this one, 2 1 is 2, 2 6 is 12. So again I get 1 upon 6. So check Johnson is correct, yeah, Max is correct. So here for Max 2 upon 12 and 1 upon 6, 2 upon 12, 1 upon 6. So here Max is correct. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which is consider the following shown. So here we have given a diagram. Which of the following shows all pair of vertically opposite angle in the figure? So here we have to find the vertically opposite angle. So let angle 1 is vertically opposite angle to angle 4. So pair first is angle 1 and angle 4. Now next pair, that is angle 2 is vertically opposite to angle 5. So angle 2 and angle 5 are vertically opposite angle. If I talk about third one, angle 3 is vertically opposite to angle 6. So angle 3 is vertically to opposite angle 6. So 1 4 2 5 3 6. So here 1 4 2 5 3 6. These are angles are vertically opposite angles. So here option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is which model is shaded to represent the area of rectangle that is 4 upon 5 centimeter long and 3 upon 10 centimeter wide. So here first we have to find the area of rectangle. So we know area of a rectangle that is length multiplied by breadth. So here we have given length that is 4 upon 5 centimeter. So 4 upon 5 centimeter and breadth that is 3 by 10. So if I multiply this one, so here I get 12 upon 50. This fraction shows that we have total number of parts which is 50 and the shaded part that is 12. So count in which options we have shaded part that is 12. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 10, 15. So this option is not correct. If I took this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 8, 12. So yes, option number B is the correct answer. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the shape is made of from 3 identical rectangles. So here we have given 3 identical rectangles. Calculate the perimeter of the area of the shape. So here we have to calculate first perimeter and then we have to calculate area. So we know perimeter that is sum of all side. So here we have given this is 5 and this one is 3. So all these are identical. So I can say this is 5. So here again this one is also 5 and this is also 3 and this one is also 3 and this is also 5 and this is also 3. Now here the total length that is 5 and but this length is 3 and remaining this one is 2. So here again this one is 2 and again this one is 5. So we have to find perimeter. So perimeter is sum of all sides. So first 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3. Again 5 plus 3. Again 5 plus 3. Again 5 plus 3. So now 5 plus 3. Then 2, 5, 2. So 2, 5, 2. And last one that is again 3. If I add all these numbers, so here I get 5, 3, 8 plus 5, 3, 8 plus 5, 3, 8 plus 5, 3, 8 and 2 and 2, 4. So 8, 8 2 is 16, 8 3 is 24 and 8 4 is 32. So 32 plus 4. So here I get 36. So perimeter that is 36. Now again we have to find the area of shape. So I can say that area of shape is equal to 3 multiplied by area of rectangle, because all these rectangles are identical. So area of rectangle. So here 3 multiplied by length multiply breadth. So 3 multiply, we have given length that is 5 and breadth that is 3. So 5 multiplied by 3. So here 5 3 is 15. So I can say that 3 multiplied by 15 and 15 3 is 45 centimeter square. So here the perimeter is 36 centimeter and area is 45 centimeter square. So check which option is correct. Perimeter 36, here area 45 centimeter square. So here, so I can say that option number D is the correct answer over here. Now next question is that here is a square inside another square. So here we have given a square and here we have given another square which is inside to this square. So the perimeter of the inner square is 16 centimeter. The perimeter of the outer square is 4 times that of the perimeter of inner square. The perimeter of outer square is 4 times that of the inner square. So what is the length of one of the outer square? So here we have to find the length of one side of outer square. So here we have given perimeter of inner square, that is 16 centimeter. So we have to find the length of one side of outer square, and the condition is that the perimeter of the outer square is 4 times the perimeter of inner square. So according to question, perimeter of outer square is equal to 4 times of perimeter of inner square. So perimeter of outer square, that is 4 multiply side is equal to 4 multiply perimeter of inner square, which is given, that is 16 centimeter. So here I take 16. So we have to find the side. Side is equal to 4 multiply 16 divided by 4. So 4 to 4 cut out. So here I get the side, which is 16 centimeter. So check which option is correct. So here 16 centimeter. So I can say that option C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is find the largest number that divides both 80 and 56 and leave a remainder of 2. So here we have to find the largest number. So for largest number, first I subtract 2 from these two numbers. So I can say that 80 minus 2, that is 78. Now next one, that is 56. So 56 minus 2, that is 54. Now we have to find largest number. So first I find the HCF. So HCF of 78 and 54, that is, first here I take 2. Now I get 3 to the 6 and 9 to the 18, and here 2 to the 4 and 7 to the 14. Now here I take 3. So again 13 and 9. So HCF, that is 3 multiplied 2, which is 6. So HCF is 6. So check which option is correct. So here no, option number C is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is out of the following, the smallest number divisible by both 48 and 76. So here we have to find the smallest number. So for smallest number, we have find the LCM of 48 and 76. So LCM of 48 and 76, that is, so here we have to find LCM. So 48 and 76. So first I take 2. So here I can say that 24 and 38. Again I take 2. So I can say that 12 and 19. Now again I take 2. So here I can say that 6 and 19. Again I take 2. So I can say that 3 and 19. So if I multiply all these numbers, so I can say that 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 9. So 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, and 16 3 the 48. So 48 multiplied by 19, that is 912. So here the smallest number that is divisible by both 40 and 76, that is 912. So here I can say the option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is consider the conditions above mention the numbers M and N. Condition 1, we have given both 2-digit numbers. So we have to choose 2 numbers and which is 2-digit number, and condition 2, that is one is odd and another one is even. If the multiplication of these 2 numbers is 180 degree, then what is the smallest common multiple of M and N? Then we have to find the smallest common multiple. So first we find the factor of 180. Now I can say that 2 here I can get 90. Again I take 2, here I get 45. If I take 3, here I get 15. If I take again 3, here I get 5, and 5, that is 1. So here we have factor that is 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 3 multiply 9. So 2 2 ja 4 and 4 3 ja 12. So 12 multiply by 5 3 ja 15. So here we have these two numbers, that m is equal to, I can take 12, and n I can take 15, and these two numbers are 2-digit number, and here this one is even and this one is odd. So these two conditions are followed all the two numbers. So multiple of 12, that is 12, 24, 36, 48, 60 and 72 and so on. If I talk about multiple of 15, that is 15, 30, 45, 60 and 75 and so on. So we have to find the what is the smallest common multiple. So here smallest common multiple, that is 60, and here again I get 60. So smallest common multiple, that is 60. So check which option is correct. So 60, here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is the figure show 8 rays having a common vertex x. Okay, so here we have given which option correctly shows the number of acute, obtuse and reflex angle formed by different ray. So here we have given a diagram, and here first we have to find how many number of angles are acute and how many number of angles are obtuse and how many number of angles are reflex. So first, number of acute angle. So here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So number of acute angle, that is 8. So here if I talk about number of obtuse angle, that is, so 1 2. So here this one is the obtuse angle, and again this one is the obtuse angle. So here we have 2 obtuse angle, again here we have 2 and 2 4, again 6, and here 8. So number of obtuse angle, that are 8. And if I talk about number of reflex angle, that is 24. So number of reflex angle, that is 24. So check 8 acute angle, 8 obtuse angle, and here if I talk about reflex angle, so here we have 24 reflex angle. Again if I talk here 8 acute angle and 8 obtuse angle and 24 reflex angle. So 8 acute angle, 8 obtuse angle, but 8 reflex angle. So here this one is wrong. If I talk about next one, 8 acute, 8 obtuse and 24 reflex. So now the definition of acute angle. So here we have one common adjacent ray. So each pair of that one ray in between the form of acute angle, and here each pair of adjacent ray and form an acute angle. Okay, if I talk, so here this one is wrong, this is correct, and this one last. So if I talk about obtuse angle, for obtuse angle we have required 2 rays. For obtuse angle, each pair of those rays has 2 rays between them. So here I can say that option number B is the correct answer. If I talk about next question, that is consider the angles marked in the figure below. So here we have given 4 figures and we have to check angles. So angle A, if I talk for angle A, that is this one. So angle A, this is called acute angle. So I can say that this is the acute angle. If I talk about angle B, so here this is also an acute angle. So for B, this is also acute angle. If I talk about C1, for C, this is obtuse angle. For C, I can say that this one is, and last one, that is D. If I talk about D, this is the right angle. So D is right angle. So angle A acute, acute, obtuse, right. So this one is wrong. If I talk about this one, acute, acute, obtuse, right. Yes, option number B is the correct answer. So third one, that right angle. So this one is also wrong. So here option number B is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is Jyoti's school is 560 meter from her house. One day she left home and walked 215 meters. Then she realized that she had forgotten her pencil box and maths book. She went back home and collected the things she had forgotten and went back to the school. Arrange the problem solving steps below in correct order to find the distance Jyoti's walked on the day to get school. So let's assume this is the Jyoti's house, and let's assume this is the Jyoti's school. Now the distance from house to school, that is we have given 560 meter. So now we can say that first Jyoti left the house and walked 215 meter, and then he returned home, he walked back, that is again 215 meter, and then he again moved towards the school. So first I can say that Jyoti went towards school. So the distance, that is 215 meter. Now again Jyoti back home, this is 215 meter. Now again Jyoti walked towards the school. Now again towards school, that is 560 meter. So now here we have to find the total distance. So total distance C covered, that is 215 plus 215 plus 560. So if I add all these numbers, so here I get 990 meter. So 990 meter, that is the distance that Jyoti covered. So now if I check all these sequence, so first Jyoti went towards the school, that is 215 meter. So distance walked first step towards the Jyoti towards the school, that is 215 meters. So I can say this one is the Q. And he back home, distance walked back home, that is 215 meters. So I can say this one is T. And now again distance walked from home to school, that is 560 meters. Now again this one is S. And last we have to add the together distance. Yes, this one is the R. And so final that answer is Jyoti walked a total distance of 990 meters. So this one is P. So option is Q T S R P. Q T S R P. So Q T S R P. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is there are 3 clocks in a show. One chimes after every 5 minutes, second after every 15 minutes, and third after every 30 minutes. Now if all of them have chimed at 10 o'clock, at what time will they all chimes together again? Arrange the problem solving steps in the correct order. So first I check all these sequence. So here I can say that find the LCM of chiming intervals. All 3 clocks will chimes together again 10:30. Understanding the problem, and we have 3 chimes different chiming interval, and clock 1 chimes at 5 minutes, and clock second chimes at every 15 minutes, and clock third chimes every 30 minutes. Then all chime together at 10 o'clock. So here I can say that R is the step first, because we have to understand this problem. And now second we have to calculate the prime factor. So I can say that the prime factor of 15, that is 1, 3, 5 and 15. Now if I talk about the prime factor of 5, so prime factor of 5, that is 1 and 5. If I talk about the prime factor of 30, that is 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 10 and 15. So now here this one is the 15. So now I calculate when the ring together. So here we have to find the prime factor of each chimney. So I can say that R then S. Now we have to find the LCM of this one. So now LCM of 15, 5 and 30 minutes, that is 30 minutes. Now third one we have to find the LCM. So now calculate when will they chime again, and since we have to find the clock will chime all together every 30 minutes. Before this we have to find the LCM of these intervals. So I can say that after S we have used P. Now then we have calculate LCM. So here this one is the U. Now next one, the chimney first chimed at 10 o'clock. So I can say that the chimneys first chimed at the 10 o'clock. So after that, after 30 minutes, he chimed again. So next one, they chimed at 10:30. So I can say this one is the step T. And last one, all three clocks will chime again together, that is 10:30. So here this one is the Q. So R, S, P, U, T, Q. So R, S, P, U, T, Q. So here option number B is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is based on assertion or region. Now question is that, so here we have assertion, that is a line contains a countless number of points. So suppose that this is the line and it contains number of countless points. So yes, this one is true. A line extends infinitely in both directions. Yes, this one is also true. And reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So I can say that here both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is again based on assertion or region. So here we have given assertion, that is the perimeter of a rectangle is equal to 2 multiply length plus breadth. So we know perimeter, that is 2 bracket length plus breadth. So this one is true. If I talk about region, perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary formed a closed figure when you go round the figure once. Suppose that I have a figure which is the form of square. So if I have to find the perimeter of this figure, so here I count here first, then this one, then walk here, and the total distance around the boundary, that is the perimeter of that figure. So I can say this one is also true, and this is the correct explanation of assertion. So here both assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, which of the following statement is true or false? So here we have given 4 statements and we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So statement number 1, that is a line segment has 2 end points. So I can say that this is the line segment and it having 2 endpoints. So I can say that this one is true. If I talk about second one, that is a ray has only 1 endpoint. Yes, this one is also true. And if I talk about third one, a line extends infinitely in both directions. So this one is also true. A line segment extend infinitely in one direction. No, this one is false, because a line segment having fixed length, so we can't extend. So I can say that true, 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 false. So check which option is correct. True, 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 false. So here option number D is the correct answer. If I talk about next question, that is which of the following statement is true or false? So here we have given 4 statements, so we have to find which one is true and which one is false. So statement number 1, that is every integer greater than 1 can be expressed as the product of 2 or more prime number. So let's assume an integer that is 15. So this is the factor of 5 and 3, and 5 and 3 are the prime numbers, so I can say that this one is true. Now, if I talk about next one, every prime number greater than 3 can expressed as the difference of two consecutive prime numbers, so this one is, I can say that, false. The sum of any two distinct prime number is always a prime number. So let's assume we take a prime number 3 and we take a prime number 7. If I sum all these two prime numbers, so I get answer that is 10. But 10 is a even number, so I can say this one is also false. Now if I talk about next one, the product of any two consecutive odd number is always divisible by 8. So this one is also false. So I can say that TFFF. So TFF. So here option number A is the correct answer. Now next question is that which is again based on true or false. So here we have given 4 statements. We have to check which one is true and which one is false. So here first statement, that is the area of rectangle can be found by multiplying its length and width. So this one is, I can say that, true, because area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. If I talk about second one, the numerical value of perimeter of a rectangle is always greater than that of its area. So this one is false. So let us assume a rectangle whose length is equal to 90 centimeter and whose breadth is also 90 centimeter. So now if I found the perimeter, that is to bracket length plus breadth. So here P is equal to 2 multiplied by 180. So here we get perimeter, that is 360 centimeter. Now if I talk about area, that is length multiply breadth. So here length, that is 90, and breadth again, that is 90. So 90 multiply 90, here I get 8100 centimeter square. So I can say that the perimeter is less than as compared to area. So this one is false. The perimeter of a triangle is the sum of its 3 sides. So I can say this one is also true. If I talk about next one, the area of a circle with radius r is 2 pi r. No, the area of circle with radius r, that is pi r square. This is the formula of the circumference of circle. So I can say this one is also false. So true, false, true, false. So true, false, true, false. So here option number D is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given column 1 and here we have given column 2. So first P, that is straight angle. So straight angle, that is called the half of a revolution. So here P is connected to third. Now next one Q, that is right angle. So right angle is the 1/4 of the revolution. So here Q is connected to 4. Now acute angle, less than 1/4 of the angle. So here R is connected to 1, and reflex angle, this is more than the half but less than a complete angle. So S is connected to 2. So 3, 4, 1, 2. So check 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. So here option number C is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, that is match column 1 and column 2 and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have column 1 and here we have column 2, and we have to solve with the help of BODMAS rule. So first we simplify the column 1. So here the P, that is given 18 divided by 6 multiplied by 4 minus 3 plus 6. So simple, 18 divided by 6 multiply by, if I solve this bracket, so here I get 1 plus 6. So if I divide here, so I get 3 plus 6, that is 9, right? Now the solution is 9. If I talk about Q1, that is 14 minus 8. So here I get 6. 6 plus 3, that is 9. So here I can write here 9 plus 8 multiply by 24 divided by 8. So I can say that 9 plus 8 multiply by 8 1 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 8 3 ja 24. So here 9 plus 24. So the answer is that is 33. It means Q, the value of Q is equal to 33. So if solve about R, now if I solve about R, so 4 5 ja 20 plus 14 plus 8, that is 22, minus 36 divided by 9. So 9 4 ja 36. So here I get 42 minus 4, that is 38. Now if I solve S1, that is 28 divided by 4 plus 3 plus 10 minus 8 multiply by 5. So simple. If I solve here, so 4 1 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 4 3 ja 12, 4 4 ja 16, 4 5 ja 20, 4 6 ja 24, and 4 7 ja 28. So here I get 7 plus 3 plus, if I subtract here, so I get 2, and 2 multiplied by 5, that is 10. So here I get 10 plus 10. So solution is 20. Now we have to solve column second. So for column second, first one, that is 4 5 ja 20 plus, if I add here, so I get 19 minus 18 divided by 3. So simply if I divide here, so here I get 39 minus 6 3 is 18, so here I get 33. So check where is 33? Yes, here and here. So I can say that Q is connected to 1. So I can say that Q is connected to 1. Now if I solve second one, that is 25 divided by 5 plus 24 minus 45 divided by 5. So first if I divide here, so I get 5 plus 24 minus, and 5 9 ja 45, so here I get 9. So if I add first, so I get 29 minus 9, so here I get 20. So where is 20? Here. It means S is connected to 2. So P, Q, here I get R, and S is connected to 2. Now if I talk about third one, that is here 2 multiplied by 4 plus 28 divided by 4 minus 6. So here 4 2 ja 8 plus, if I divide here, so 4 7 ja 28 minus 6. So 8 plus 7, here I get 15, 15 minus 6, that is 9. So where is 9? P is connected to third one. So I can say that P is connected to third one. And last one, that is fourth one, which is 63 divided by 9 plus 40 minus 36 divided by 4. So here if I divide here, so here I get 7 plus 40 minus 9. So here I get 47 minus 9, that is 38. So where is 38? So R is connected to 4. So here I can say that R is connected to 4. So 3142. So where is 3142? So here 3142, option number B is the correct answer over here. That is again based on match the column 1 and column second and select the correct answer using the code given below. So here we have given fifth multiple of 17. So P is equal to fifth multiple of 17. So here I get 85. It means P is connected to third. So P is connected to third. Next one, the greatest prime factor of 8. So the greatest prime factor of 8. So first we have to find the factor of 8. That is 1, 2, 4, 8. And the greatest prime factor, that is 2. So I can say that Q is connected to 4. If I talk about third one, the smallest odd prime number. So smallest odd prime number is 3. So I can say that R is connected to second one. And the only prime number, only prime factor of 343, the prime factor of 343, that is 7. So S is connected to 1. So 3421. So 3421, here option number C is the correct answer. So if I talk about next question, that is based on paragraph base. So here we have given two rectangular prism having combined volume of 432 cubic feet. Prism A has half the volume of prism B. So let assume the volume of prism A plus volume of prism B, that is 432 cubic feet. So here we are given prism A, the volume of prism A is equal to half of the volume of prism B. So now here we have to find what is the volume of prism A. So we have to find the volume of prism A. So I can say that if I transfer here to 2 times of volume of prism A is equal to the volume of prism B. So if I put the value of prism B is equal to 2 times of volume of prism A, so I can say that prism A plus 2 times of prism A, that is equal to 432. If I add here, so 3 multiply volume of prism A, that is 432. So volume of prism A is equal to 432 divided by 3. So if I divide here, so here I get 3 1 ja 3, 4 3 ja 12 and 4 3 ja 12. So 144 cubic. So 144 cubic feet. So here I can say that option number B is the correct answer. Now if I talk about next question, which is based on again same paragraph. So we have given two rectangular prism having a combined volume of 432 cubic feet. Prism A has half of the volume of prism B. So here we have question that is prism A has base area that is 24 feet. Now here we have to find the height of the prism A. So in previous question we find the volume of prism A, that is 144 cubic feet. Now we know the volume formula of volume, that is length multiply breadth multiply height is equal to 144 cubic feet, and length multiply breadth, that is the area of base. So I can say that area of base multiply height is equal to 144 feet cubic. I can say that cubic feet. So area of base, which is given 24. So 24 multiply height is equal to 144. Now here we have to find height. So I can say that height is equal to 144 divided by 24. So I cut here 12 1 ja 12, 12 2 ja 24 and 12 12 ja 144. So here I get 12 upon 2, that is 6 feet. So here we get a height that is 6 feet. So check, option number A is the correct answer, that is 6 feet. So now if I talk about next question, that is based on again a paragraph. Paragraph is Amir had some rectangle, all of the same side. It means we have a rectangle that is the identical. He makes the shape using his rectangle. What is the perimeter of rectangle? So he makes this type of shape. So I can say that the perimeter we have to find. So here the length of rectangle, that is 8, and the breadth of rectangle, that is 3. Again I can say that this one is the 8 and this one is the 3, and remaining part, that is 5, and this is the 3, and this one is 8. Again this is the breadth is 3, and now here we get 8, again here we get 5, and this is 3. Now perimeter is equal to sum of all side. Now here if I start from here, so 3 plus 8, 3 plus 8 plus 5 plus 3, then 8 plus 3, then 8 plus 5, and 3 plus 8. Now if I add all these equations, so here I get 8 plus 3, that is 11. Here 5 plus 3, 8. Here 8 plus 3, that is 11. Here 8 plus 3, that is 11, and 8 plus 5, that is 13. So here 11, 22, 33. 33 plus, if I add this one to this one, so here I get 21. So now 54 centimeter is the perimeter of the given given figure. So here option number A is the correct answer. So now if I talk about next question, that is based on again same paragraph. Amir has some rectangular all the same size. So here we have given a rectangle. He makes another shape using the same rectangle. Now calculate the perimeter of this figure. Now again we have to calculate the perimeter of this figure. So I can say that this is again 3, and this is again 3, and this is 8. Here this is 3, again this is 8. Now from this one to this one, this is 6, because 3 plus 3, and here this is 8, and again this one is 8, this is 3, and this one is the 6, and remaining this one is the 2, and this one is the 2. So 6 plus 8 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2 plus 8 plus 6 plus 8 plus 3 plus 8. So here 8, 16, 24 and 32. So I can say 32 plus 6 to 8 to 10, 13, 19, 19 and 3, 22. So now 3 to 5 and 2 to 4. So here I get 54 centimeters. So check which option is correct. So here option number D is the correct answer over here. So now if you enjoy the paper, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.
Hello student, welcome to Matrix YouTube channel. We are here to discuss the solution of Matrix Olympiad paper of class 5th reasoning conducted on 13 October 2024. Hope you performed very well. So here we go. So now question number 51. Find the next term of the given series. So series is 2, 6, 14, 30. Next is 62, and find the next term. First, find the pattern of the given series. So what is the pattern used in this series? So taking first term of this series, so 2. Now 2 multiply by 2 plus 2, it means 2 multiply by 2, it means 4 plus 2, it means 6. So now 6 multiply by 2 plus 2, it means 6 multiply by 2, 12 plus 2, it means 14. Now 14 multiply by 2 plus 2. 14 multiply by 2, it means 28 plus 2, it means 30. Now 30 multiply by 2 plus 2. 30 multiply by 2, it means 60. 60 plus 2, it means 62. Similarly, now 62 multiply by 2 plus 2. 62 multiply by 2, it means 124 plus 2, it means 126. So now here 126 is the next term of given series. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 52. Find the next term of given series. So series is DKMGINJGOMEP. So in this type questions, taking first alphabet of each term. So first alphabet of first term is G. Now first alphabet of second term is G. Similarly, now next is J. After J, next is M. Next is missing. So first find the pattern of the given series. So place value of D in English alphabet is 4. Now place value of G is 7. Now place value of J is 10. Place value of M is 13. So pattern is 4 plus 3, it means 7. Now 7 plus 3, it means 10. Now 10 plus 3, it means 13. 13 plus 3, it means 16. So here P, because place value of P is 16. So first alphabet of missing term is P. Now taking second alphabet of each term. So second alphabet of first term is K. Now second alphabet of second term is I. Now after I, next is G. After G, next is E. And find the next. So place value of K is 11. Now place value of I is 9. Place value of G is 7. Now place value of E is 5. So pattern is 11 minus 2. It means 9. Now 9 minus 2, it means 7. 7 minus 2, it means 5. Now similarly 5 minus 2, it means 3. So now here alphabet is C, because place value of C is 3 in English alphabet. So second alphabet of missing term is C. Now taking third alphabet of each term. So third alphabet of first term is M. After M, next is N. After N, next is O. After O, next is P. And find the next. So place value of M is 13. Place value of N is 14. Place value of O is 15. 13, 14, 15 now. Place value of P is 16. 13, 14, 15, 16. Now next is 17. So now here alphabet is Q, because place value of Q is 17 in English alphabet. So third alphabet of missing term is Q. So missing term is PCQ. PCQ is the next term of given series. So now here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 53. Ritu drives 2 km towards south from point A. C takes a right turn and drives 2 km more. C again takes a right turn and drive 2 km. Finally, C takes one more right turn and drive 1 km, then to reach point B. In which direction? With respect to starting point A. Before starting this question, we should know that there are 4 types of main direction. This is north, this is east, this is south, this is west. And there are 4 types of cardinal direction. This is northeast, this is southeast, this is southwest, and this is northwest. Now according to question, let's suppose A is the starting point. A is the starting point of Ritu. Now Ritu drives 2 km towards south. Ritu drives 2 km towards south. So Ritu drives 2 km towards south. Now C takes a right turn. Now C takes a right turn and drive 2 km and drive 2 km. C again takes a right turn. C again takes a right turn and drives 2 km more and drive another 2 km. Now finally C take one more turn, one more right turn. Now C takes one more right turn and drive 1 km and drive 1 km to reach point B. So here is point B. Now here point is A and now here is point B. Now in which direction? With respect to starting point A. Now find the direction of B with respect to starting point A. So B is in west of A. So B is in west of A. So now here option B is the correct answer of this question, because this is the west of A, this is the east of A, this is the north of A, and this is the south of A. So this is the west of A. So here option B is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 54. Choose the alternatives which is closely resembles the mirror image of given combination. Mn is a mirror. Mn is a mirror. In mirror image questions, the object, the part of an object is near to the mirror, so it will remains near to the mirror in the mirror image. So first find the mirror image of H. So this is the mirror image of H. Now mirror image of 2. So mirror image of 2 looks something like this. And now find the mirror image of 4. This is the mirror image of 4. And now find the mirror image of R. So this is the mirror image of R. Now find the mirror image of K. So this is the mirror image of K. And finally find the mirror image of G. So this is the mirror image of G. So here option D is the correct mirror image of given combination. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 55. Choose the alternative which is closely resembles the voter image of the given combination. Find the voter image of given combination. In voter image questions, the voter is always taken below the object. So now here is voter. Now find the voter image of, first find the voter image of E. So this is the voter image of E. Now find the voter image of 8. So this is the voter image of 8. Now find the voter image of T. So this is the voter image of small t. Now find the mirror image of 4. So find the mirror voter image of 4. So this is the voter image of 4. Now find the voter image of E. So this is the voter image of E. Now find the voter image of 9. So this is the voter image of 9. Now voter image of C. So this is the voter image of C. So now here, this is the correct voter image of given combination. So now here option E is the correct voter image of this combination. So here option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 56. Rohit is ranked 18th place from the top in this class. When counted from the bottom, he ranked 36th place. What is the total number of students in this class? So given is rank of Rohit from the top is equals to 18 and rank of Rohit from the bottom is 36. Now find the total number of student in this class. So find the total number of student in this class. So formula is top position of the person plus bottom position of the same person minus 1. So top position of Rohit is 18 and plus bottom position of Rohit is 36 minus 1. So 18 plus 36, it means 54. 54 minus 1. 54 minus 1, it means 53. So here 53 student in this class. So now option D is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 57. What should come in the place of question mark in the following equations? So find the value of given equation. So first using the BODMAS rule. So first solve the brackets. So 36 divided by 12. So 36 divided by 12, it means 3. Now 3 multiply by 4 plus. Now solve the brackets. So 7 multiply by 6, it means 42 minus 18 plus 3 multiply by 9, it means 27. Now multiply the numbers. So 3 multiply by 4, it means 12 plus 42 minus 18 plus 27. 12 plus 42, it means 54. 54 plus 27 minus 18. 54 plus 27, it means 81. 81 minus 18. 81 minus 18, it means 63. So here option A is the correct value of given equation. So now option A is the correct answer of this question. Let's move to the next question. So now next question is question number 58. If A denotes plus, B denotes multiply, C denotes minus, and D denotes divided by. Now then what will be the value of following expression? So find the value of following expression. So 50, meaning of A is plus. Now 86. C means minus 40. After 40, next is D. So D means divided by 10. Now B means multiply by 5. Now find the value of given expression. So using BODMAS rule in this expression. So now first divide the numbers. So 50 plus 86 minus 40 divided by 10, it means 4. 4 multiply by 5. Now multiply the numbers. Now 50 plus 86 minus 4 multiplied by 5, it means 20. Now 50 plus 86, it means 136 minus 20. 136 minus 20, it means 116. So value of given expression is 116. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. Question number 59. In the following questions, figure showing sequence of folding and cutting a paper are given, which could resemble the figure in the answer figure. In this type of questions, unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded and find the mirror image in each case. So first unfold this figure. So this figure will be unfolded in this direction because this figure has been folded in this direction. So now first unfold this figure. So unfold this figure. So this figure. Then we get a figure like this. Now unfold this figure in this direction. So because this figure has been folded in this direction, so this figure will be unfolded in this direction. So we get a figure like this. This is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So here option C is the correct answer of this question. Let's move on to the next question. So now next question is question number 60. In the following sequence, figure showing sequence of folding and cutting a paper are given, which could resemble the figure in the answer figure. So same, unfold the paper in the same sequence when it was folded. So first unfold this figure. So this figure will be unfolded in this direction. So then we get a image like this. Now unfold this figure in this direction. So when we unfold this figure in this direction, then we get a image like this. Then we get a image like this. Now this figure will be unfolded in this direction. So then we get a image like this. So mirror image of this part will look something like this. So this is the correct unfolded paper after cutting. So now here option C is the correct answer of this question. So we have finished the solution. I hope you understood it well. If you have any query and doubt regarding the solution, so please log in the website and click ask the doubt option and write your doubt there. Now any new update or regarding to Matrix Olympiads will be updated on this YouTube channel. So subscribe the channel for more updates. You can also have new updates on our WhatsApp channel. To join, click on the links provided in the description box. Thank you so much for being here. Have a good time.